India has become the first country to reach the south
to the moon, and the launch of India's Chandrayaan 3
This isn't just a first for India, it's a first in lunar exploration.
Historic mission to the moon and the launch of India's Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft. This is the moment that it took off just under an hour ago. It entered Earth's orbit shortly after. It's India's second attempt at a lunar landing, and if it's successful, the craft will deploy a rover near the moon's south pole next month, and India will become only the fourth country behind the US, the former Soviet Union and China to manage a...
This isn't just a first for India, it's a first in lunar exploration. No one successfully landed near the moon's south pole before, and it's a place of real interest for space science and also space exploration. It's one of the coldest places in the solar system, where water and other important chemicals are frozen in deep, shaded craters.
It is a historic day in space. India has become the first country to reach the south pole of the moon and the fourth country to ever land on the moon. Get this, a robotic moon lander known as the Chandrayaan 3. It touched down this morning. The SUV-sized lander has its own rover, which will test mineral composition and seismic activity over the next couple of weeks. Russia and India have been in a tight race to see who could get their spacecraft to the lunar South Pole first. Russia crashed their spacecraft into the moon a few days ago. So not only is this a big deal for India, it's a big deal for the U.S., too.